Hi, this is Mr. Anderson, and today we're going to use this ramp made of meter sticks and books to determine what connection there is between potential energy, kinetic energy, and speed. Now, as you can see, there is a marble here. We're going to use this marble today as our rolling object, and at the end of our 1 meter ramp here, there is a motion detector. It is on and flashing, meaning it is ready to go. And it's going to measure the speed of the marble when it goes through it at the end of the ramp. Now, I should mention, the height of our ramp will change in each trial. In this trial, wait till the camera adjusts, there we go. You can see that the height of the ramp is just above 6, and to be exact, it's 6.2 centimeters. So let's give our first trial a shot and see what we get. We get the camera set so you can see too. Our marble is at the end of the ramp. I'm letting it go. And let's see if that was a good trial. Looks like it was. We got 0.8 meters per second. All right, so let's set up our next trial. Okay, we are set up for our second trial, and I have doubled the height of the ramp. And let's see what exactly it comes out to be. It now looks like it is 12.4 centimeters. So, as you can see, we're exactly double in height. And we are going to see what effect that has on the potential energy, kinetic energy, and speed of the marble. So here's our marble again, and we're going to set it right at the rear of the track. Get camera in position so you can see this. And here we go. Let's see. And in this trial, we got 0.53 meters per second. All right, so let's set up our third trial. All right, we are ready for trial 3. And as you can see, our ramp now is 18.6 centimeters off the floor. And I've already reset our motion detector. Here is our marble. And let's get ready, set, go. Okay, let's see what we got. So, trial 3, go ahead and pick it up so we can get a better light. We got 0.44 meters per second. Okay, so let's take a few minutes and break this down and see what this means.